A reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. John. Glory to you, O Lord. Now, on the first day after the Sabbath, Mary of Magdala came to the tomb early in the morning while it was still dark, and she saw that the stone blocking the tomb had been moved away. She ran to Peter and the other disciple whom Jesus loved, and she said to them, "They have taken the Lord out of the tomb, and we don't know where they laid him." Mary stood weeping outside the tomb, and as she wept, she bent down to look inside. She saw two angels in white sitting where the body of Jesus had been, one at the head and the other at the feet. They said, "Woman, why are you weeping?" She answered, "Because they have taken my Lord, and I don't know where they have put him." As she said this, she turned around and saw Jesus standing there, but she did not recognize him. Jesus said to her, "Woman, why are you weeping? Who are you looking for?" She thought it was the gardener and answered him, "Sir, if you have taken him away, tell me where you have put him, and I will go and remove him." Jesus said to her, "Mary." She turned and said to him, "Rabboni," which means Master. Jesus said to her, "Do not cling to me. You see, I have not yet ascended to the Father. But go to my brothers and say to them, I am ascending to my Father, who is your Father, to my God, who is your God." So Mary of Magdala went and announced to the disciples, "I have seen the Lord, and this is what he said to me." The Gospel of the Lord. Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.